All right, so this is going to be lab 6-2, which deals with SLAINT aging. So I'll go ahead and share my screen. And we can go ahead and open up that file. Okay, so here's our two worksheets. And what we want to do is create a pivot table. We want to do it on a new worksheet, and then we want to add it to the data model. Okay, I'll just rename this for my purposes. Okay, so now go to all, here's both of them. So first we'll drop down sales order, and we want to drag in our sales order total to our values. And then next we want to drop down cash received. And I believe we need the receipt amount also under values. Okay. Now we can drag the sales order ID into rows. Perfect. And then we can click auto detect. Close. Oh. Maybe it'll take a minute. For that. So for now, we can go ahead, select all of these, and then we're going to copy the data into a new worksheet. Values only. And then we can go ahead and delete out that grand total. Okay. So there, that's how you copy the data in from the pivot table. You can delete those. You can tidy it up a bit. Okay, so now we want to format this as a table. We'll just format it as this one. Oh, here, let's. That works. Okay. So now we have it into a nice little table. So now what we want to do is add a header in column D. And that way we can find the difference. Okay. So put a little formula in there. Perfect. Okay. And then we want to filter out all. I don't know. I don't know if those values are right. Okay, well, I mean, I pulled in the right data. These are correct. And there's no zeros, obviously, because I think this row is incorrect. If we can try to pull it in again. Oh. I see. Oh, no, 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 no. We need to bring in. No, that was right. Okay. Sales order total. I don't know why that would be wrong. Okay, well, I don't know why these values are different, but essentially that's how it works the exact same. But normally there's a ton of zeros and there's only a few outliers. So that's how you would filter out the zeros and then you could find those outliers to see which ones are different. Okay, so now we're gonna go to cash received. Then we'll add another column here. Sales order date. And then we'll do a VLOOKUP. Oops. Okay, and we want to look up this, comma, and then we'll delete that exclamation mark. Then we want to do 2 and exact match. Close. All right, and then we want to filter this as short date. Okay, so now that gives us our sales order date as well as our cash receipt date, so we can compare the two. Okay, so now we can create another header. This is age. This will calculate the days in between the sales order date and the cash receipt date. So to do that, do a formula. We'll do cash receipt date minus sales order date to keep it positive. Perfect. So now it's showing us the days in between. Okay, so now we can add another header, label the bucket. And then we'll need to create a little table to the side here. Zero days, 30 days, 60 days, 90. And that'll be outstanding. Okay. So now we've created that. We can do our formula. Look up. Then we'll need to lock by clicking 4. No. Oops. Okay. I just need to do it like that. Okay. That'll keep it in place. Then we'll do the second and true. All right, so now that shows us which ones are outstanding versus recent, more recent. So now we can add another column, or I'm sorry, we can add a header here. For our account. Okay. So then we can do oh, I see. Not over that. Let's unmerge those. So our account will be in this column here. Okay. So this formula will be account. We need to bring it all the way down. Okay. Comma. Case 6. So we want to do this 0. And we'll close it. Oh. Oh. I'm sorry, this needs to be L. There we go. So now that shows us how many were, so 350 were 0 to 30, 285, 31 to 60, 33 are 61, and then 6 are 90 plus days outstanding. So that is how you can do that. All right. And I believe that concludes lab 6-2. And that is how you can use Slate aging to analyze data. All right, I'll stop sharing my screen. Thank you so much.